Hey everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. Have you ever had a kid saying, hey mom, dad, I'm starving to death, and you're like, man, I want to make you something that's quick, but that's good for you? Well, I'm hoping that the beef pot roast that you can buy at Costco, it's from Morton's of Omaha, we're hoping that that'll do the trick. So this can be made in under 10 minutes if you microwave it, or you can boil it for 20 to 25 minutes. We've actually tried something similar to this when we boiled it. Turned out pretty good. So this is how it comes. In a package like this. It's going for $13.90. There you go. That's what it looks like now. According to the instructions, it just says to put some holes in the top here, 4 holes. So that's what I'll do. And put it in the microwave for 8 to 10 minutes. Can't get any easier than that. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is put 4 holes in here. Just stick my knife down in there. That's it. Put it in the microwave and we'll check back in 10 minutes. Okay. All right, folks. That was exactly 10 minutes. Ooh, sure, smells good. Cut this open now. So 10 minutes certainly, 10 minutes is plenty long. Nice and tender, it breaks, like my fork, when I put it in there, it breaks or tears apart. So I'm gonna put some of this on my plate. As I cut that, that breaks apart pretty good. That means it's, I think, nice and tender. Let's see if it cooked all the way through. I like it. Yep, that is really good. It tastes just like it came out of the crock pot. I would agree. Yeah, it's super tender. Huh.
Very.
Yeah, I love that.
It breaks apart nice.
Yeah.
I really like it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's tender. Seems like good quality meat. I mean, yeah. All right, I'm gonna give that that's a good one. That's a thumbs up.
I would do.
Well, I'm gonna give that like an 8.2.
Yeah, I would do an 8 also. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, I might give it higher. I'm gonna go 8.5 because in 10 minutes I just got pot roast, and you see how much you get. There's some fat stuff I've taken and I've thrown in the garbage, folks. Delicious. Okay. 8.5, big thumbs up, really good, highly recommend, think you'd like it. So again, remember here at Chef Dawg, we love to review Costco food. So if you know people that like Costco, feel free to share it with them. I'm sure they would enjoy it as well. And remember to subscribe, right? Thank you again for all your support. We love you guys and appreciate it. Okay, have a good one. Thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Bye.